Let us see some problems in units and dimensions. The problem is if the error in measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%, then the error in the determination of volume of the sphere will be. So given data is percentage error in radius del r by r into 100 is equal to 2%. You have to find del v by v into 100. So we know the formula how to denote the percentage error in volume in terms of radius. We know the formula v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. For percentage error, del V by V into 100 is equal to 3 into del R by R. So in the question they already given del R by R into 100. So 3 into 2% is equal to 6%. This is the percentage error in volume. If they asked about relative error means we have to find del V by V only, not 100%. If they asked about only the error means del we have to find del V only, error in volume. In that case they should give V. So or else we have to find V from this formula. The next question is the density of a material in CGS system of units is 4 gram per centimeter cube. So in CGS system density is equal to 4 gram per centimeter cube. In a system of units, so there will be a new system in which the unit of length is 10 centimeter. So they have given a new system. The system of unit for length is equal, sorry, L2 is equal to 10 centimeter, and M2 unit of mass is 100 gram. What the value of density of material will be? So in this new system of units, we have to find the density. So density equal to question mark. So we know the system of units that is the L1 is equal to gram, M1 is equal to L1 is equal to 1 centimeter, M1 is equal to 1 gram. S1 seconds is 1 second. That won't be a problem in density because density related to gram and that is mass and length. So first we have to find the dimensional formula because dimensional formula is same for all units. So dimensional formula for density is equal to, in both the units the dimensional formula will be same, so we have to find the dimensional formula from CGS unit, or we already knew the dimensional formula m power 1 L power minus 3 because density equal to mass by volume. Volume is nothing but length power cube. So okay, then how we can find the density in the new system of units? We know nu equal to constant. One of the application of dimensional analysis. N is numerical value of a unit. U is unit. For example, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Here the numerical value is equal to 1, U1 equal to kg, N2 is equal to 1000, U2 equal to gram. But N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. So that's what they said, Nu equal to constant. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Irrespective of the units, when multiplied with the numerical value, both are same. Coming to the problem, we know N1 is equal to 4, U1 is equal to gram centimeter cube. N2 we have to find the new system of units. We know U2 is equal to 100 gram 10 centimeter. 100 gram then 10 centimeter. This is for length L2, this is for mass M2. Here the centimeter will be minus cube. Okay, then N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. N1 is 4, U1 is M1 L1. X, Y, we have to substitute this from dimensional formula M power 1, L power minus 3. So X equal to 1, Y equal to minus 3. Is equal to N2 we have to find, then mass M2 power X, L2 power Y. So on substituting everything, so we get N2 is equal to 4, M1 is 1 gram, M1 is nothing but CGS unit M1 L1 divided by M2. N2 is equal to M1 by M2 power X L1 by L2 power Y into 4. Okay. So N2 is equal to 1 gram divided by the second unit mass is 100 gram. Then length L1 is equal to 1 centimeter divided by power X power Y. Here the L2 is 10 centimeter. Can substitute X and Y. 4 into X 100 1 by 100 x1, then 1 by 10 minus 3 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2. In 100 comes to the numerator, then 10 power minus 1 power minus 3, which is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power plus 3, which is equal to 40. This is N2. So in the new system of units, we get N2 equal to 40. So what is the answer here? C option, 40. And coming to the third problem, an equation is given here. That is P plus A by V square equal to B into theta by V, where P is pressure, V is volume, and Q is absolute temperature. If A and B are constant, then the dimensions of A will be. So we have to find dimensions of A. So we know that homogeneous, that is principle of homogeneity. For example, same we should add, or we can add only the length and length L1 plus L2. We cannot add L1 plus mass 2. That is principle of homogeneity. So if P is added with A by V square, then the unit of A by V square and P will be same. Otherwise, the dimensions of P and A by V square will be same. So dimensions of P is equal to dimensions of A by V square. So we know the dimensional formula for P. So pressure is nothing but force by area. So dimensions of P is equal to force is Newton by area. Area is nothing but meter square. Newton is kg meter per second square by meter square. So the dimensional formula for pressure is equal to m power 1 L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So on substituting here, power 1 L power minus 1 T power minus 2 is equal to dimensions of A by V square. A by dimension of V is nothing but L cube, dimension of 3 whole power square. So A by L power 6, here all the same, M power 1 L power minus 1 T power minus 2. On solving this, so A is equal to M1 L power minus 1 plus 6 T power minus 2. So we get L power 5. This is the answer. Then the next question, which of the following dimensions will be the same as that of time? So we know the dimension of time is nothing but T power 1. We should know the units of L, R and C, or what are all L, R and C. L is equal to inductance. C is capacitance. Then R is resistance. So we know the formula for resistance according to Ohm's law. V equal to IR, or R equal to V by I. So dimensions of R is nothing but dimensions of V by I, that is volt dimension divided by ampere dimension, that is units. Then capacitance, coming to capacitance, C is equal to Q by V. Q equal to I into T by V. It's nothing but ampere time divided by volt. These are units, normal units, not dimensions, because dimension unit for volt will be different. Then the formula for L, so we know V is equal to L into R, that is di by dt. So on solving this, we get L is equal to V by di into dt. So on the basis of units, V time divided by ampere. Okay, so we should, so shall we substitute in the given options? We should substitute in all options to get the correct answer. So for first option, L by R. L is nothing but Vt by ampere. R is nothing but V by ampere. Volt ampere, then T is time. So ampere gets cancelled. So it's T. So this is the answer. We can substitute in others also. C by L. C is nothing but AT by V. L is nothing but VT by A is equal to A square T by V square T. There will be no time in second option. Then coming to third option, LC. L for substituting L, VT by A into C, AT by V. So here we get T square. This is not a dimension for time. The dimension for time is T power 1. So this is also wrong option. Then coming to last option, R by L equal to, what is the unit for R? V by A divided by L, VT by A get cancelled, V get cancelled, we get 1 by T, that is T power minus 1. This is also not the dimensions of time. So the correct option is only A, which is equal to T power 1. Remaining are not T power 1. Here there is no T power 0. Here we got T power 2. Here we got T power minus 1. Okay, understood. So that's all.